Now, the Kansas City Chiefs are not the only ones sporting some new rings after last night's win. Couples lined up at a local chapel to say "I do." Fox 26's Chelsea Edwards brings us that story.
Tying the knot is already an unforgettable occasion, but there's something extra special about getting married on Super Bowl Sunday.
We kind of wanted to do like the ultimate never forget day.
9 couples are walking down the aisle February 2nd, 2020. The date is a palindrome, the same forward and backward, and has extra special meaning for these two.
The date was based off of when we met and when I asked her to start dating me.
It was the day he proposed.
They say game day is just a bonus.
Well, your anniversary falls on Super Bowl. What's going to happen then?
Super Bowl party at our house, right?
Yeah, right.
So far, the Courthouse Wedding Chapel has more bookings on 2/2/20 than Valentine's Day, with ceremonies every hour on the hour.
It's just been very surprising.
Are you watching the game today?
Apparently not.
Watch party or not, the special day is kicking off many memories to come.
So what are you looking forward to now that you're married?
Another baby?
Oh, okay. Another baby.
And with all the easy to remember dates in 2020, this wedding day is opening up a busy year ahead.
Many of these couples are starting their new lives by watching the big game. Then it's on to the rest of the honeymoon from there. Reporting in North Houston, Chelsea Edwards, Fox 26 News.